Bart Simpson. What do you think motorcycle will he become? Look! Rick Sanchez motorcycle dimension hopping ride, blazing trails with motorcycle-sized attitude. SpongeBob reminds me of plasticine, which makes all the transformations cool. Pikachu motorcycle, electric-powered wheels, zapping the road with speed and energy. Well, here is Elsa, which with the help of magic became motorcycle. Baby Yoda motorcycle, adorable two-wheeler, cruising with cuteness and force powers. We have a lot of different characters. Next up, Buzz Lightyear. See how he turned out as motorcycle. Mr. Incredible motorcycle, super heroic ride, flexing muscles with style and strength. Ralph turned into motorcycle, an interesting image that many cartoon hero fans will enjoy. Lightning McQueen motorcycle, piston-pumping bike, racing to victory with speed and precision. Lisa Simpson got even better in motorcycle. No comments. Peter Griffin motorcycle, quirky motorbike causing laughter with humor and antics. Do you think Morty would like to become motorcycle? I'm sure it would. Anna motorcycle, Frozen-inspired ride, gliding with grace and courage. Nemo transformed into motorcycle. This clownfish looks great in any transformation. Mario motorcycle, mushroom-fueled machine, conquering with gaming prowess and charm. An unusual transformation. I never thought Sonic would be so similar to motorcycle. Puss in Boots motorcycle, smooth-talking bike, strutting with confidence and swashbuckling skills. Our next character is Rocky. Do you think this motorcycle turned out cool? I hope so. Peppa Pig motorcycle, oinkin' two-wheeler, hogging the road with enthusiasm and adventures. Angry Bird turned into motorcycle. The real motorcycle. Naruto motorcycle, ninja-inspired ride, blazing through the streets with speed and determination. We are in the middle of our list of heroes. Who's next? I didn't expect Kung Fu Panda to become so interesting motorcycle. Optimus Prime motorcycle, robotic cruiser, leading the Autobot convoy with power and heroism. Who's next? That's right, Gru. What did he become? Motorcycle! Baby Boss motorcycle, bossin' on wheels, revving up with authority and business savvy. Meet! This is Minion. He has become bright in the character of motorcycle. Judy Hopps motorcycle, Zootopia-inspired bike, enforcing justice with determination and hop. And here's another superhero Woody who turned into a motorcycle. Who's next on the list? Dory motorcycle, forgetful road warrior swimming through lanes with adventure and humor. Look, Mater! We made a new image out of him. Motorcycle came out great! Benjamin Tennyson motorcycle. Heroic motorbike, transforming the road with alien powers and bravery. If I hadn't seen the picture Homer Simpson on the left, I wouldn't have believed my eyes. Timon motorcycle, Hakuna Matata ride, cruising carefree with fun and laughter. Well, here is Pumbaa, Hakuna Matata, and he became motorcycle. Moana motorcycle, seafaring machine, embarking on a journey with bravery and determination. Olaf turned into motorcycle. I love doing this. Simba motorcycle, majestic cruiser roaring down the road with pride and courage. The best motorcycle plus Bumblebee of my life. Watching the next character? Gumball Watterson motorcycle, playful bike causing chaos on wheels with mischief and wit. Poppy turned into motorcycle. How I love turning superheroes into such vivid characters. Astrid motorcycle, Viking-inspired ride, soaring with strength and loyalty. Wow, didn't see that coming, did you? And this Grinch became motorcycle. Hiccup motorcycle, dragon-friendly bike, embracing innovation and friendship. Do you see this? Out came the really cool Scooby-Doo plus motorcycle. Leo motorcycle, shell-powered machine, slicing through traffic with ninja skills and attitude. If you like my videos, write in the comments who you'd like to turn superheroes into, and I'll try to do it.